What are the woodworking projects that sell well? If you are looking for some enjoyable tasks, woodworking projects will be the right fit for you. Why wouldn't it be? You will get the chance to create numerous masterpieces by using your vivid imagination. When you see the results in the end, your mind will be filled with joy, and you will surely feel proud of yourself. A good strategy that you can apply is to use the projects as your income source. Though a small amount of profit might not make a huge change in your lifestyle, you can level it up with time if you can master your skills gradually. The whole process will be therapeutic for you, and not only that, your financial condition will improve to an unimaginable extent. You can even take this woodworking project as a career and earn a handsome amount of money as a full-time worker. To achieve this goal, you should know some marketing as well as selling strategies. Following the article, you will find some woodworking projects that sell well around the world. Go through all of them so that you can have an overall idea. Let's get started. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. Top 11 woodworking projects that sell well. 1. Floating shelves. This woodwork is very renowned around the globe, and day by day, the demand is increasing unimaginably. The shelf looks very appealing from distant, and if you look at it, you will get an illusion that everything inside of it is floating. This might create a shocking situation for your guests at the beginning, but with your explanation, they will realize the truth behind it. Who knows, they might place an order for you. As this project is very tricky and requires precision, you must use a good woodworking bench. 2. Wooden toys. Wooden toys are very efficient in maintaining its quality and durability if you compare it with the plastic one. It can take any kind of pressure and will never change its usual shape. You can create any kind of design of your preference, or you can even ask your kids or check the websites to understand their current demands. The toy will suit any child's bedroom and will sell very well during the holiday season. 3. Coat rack. If you look at the regular coat rack, most of them are made from iron. The biggest drawback of it is that they rust with time. You won't be able to keep it in your room because of its ugly look. As a result, you will have to buy a new one. This is a common scenario in every household. The wooden coat rack will never rust and change its outlook, so you can use this as an opportunity and start working with this project. This woodwork is not a challenging one, and you will only need a couple of materials to get the job done. Later on, you can sell it for a good price, and the customers won't be able to deny it for sure. 4. Bowls. Wooden bowls look beautiful and classy in both the kitchen and dining room. If they are made from real wood, this will be a must-need item for every homeowner. You will be profited with this woodworking project without a doubt if you can make a decent vegetable or fruit bowls. To make a well-shaped bowl, use a wood lathe in all cases. Check the best wood lathe for the money on the internet for additional information. 5. Picture frames. Taking pictures and making memories is a common thing for everyone. When the frame is made out of wood, no one can deny it from buying it. The beauty of the pictures will radiate more than normal due to this beautiful wooden accessory. Moreover, the frames will never lose its demand because of its affordable price and variation of designs. 6. Furniture. Without furniture, a home is incomplete. From wardrobes to stools, everything is made out of wood. This woodworking project is highly profitable irrespective of seasons. Also, you won't lose its demands due to some changes in economic factors. Simply use a router table and router to get this thing completed smoothly. Don't forget to check our favorite router table from the website to help you buy the best one. 7. Bookshelves. Bookshelves are very important for libraries and to the avid readers, as this wooden beauty helps to keep all the books in perfect alignment. This woodworking project is very easy to build and won't cost you that much. 8. Dog beds. Dog or other pet lovers will love a wooden dog bed, and they will pay any amount of money if this fits with their satisfaction level. Normally, a plastic one is highly common and preferable, but the wooden bed comes with huge advantages. Its sustainability and good outlook make it a demanding woodworking project that will sell well. 9. Wine racks. Wine racks are an easy project and won't cost you that much to complete it successfully. These look beautiful in the kitchen or any other rooms due to its texture. Wine lovers will find it very attractive and will buy one or two. 10. Kitchen tools. Wooden knives, forks, and spoons will look great as a showpiece. Some prefer to use the spoon or fork as their regular utensils due to their heat resistivity, but at the end of the day, it is the people's choice. Use these beneficial features as your profitable income source and dive into this woodworking project with full determination. 11. Jewelry box. Women love a jewelry box at their possession in every stage of their beautiful life. If it is made out of wood, most of it will be sold during the time of your launch. Whether you are advertising it onto the street or promoting it onto the website, you will have a good sell without a shadow of a doubt. You never know, a guy can also buy it as a gift for his girlfriend or loved ones. So, you are on the profitable side in all cases. Conclusion. Pick some of the lucrative projects above and start making money out of it. Always take feedback from customers and ensure their happiness in every situation. Best of luck with the selling. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.